Hello, I am Kesari Haravoo. I am a filmmaker and a writer based in Bangalore. I started my film making career in 1984. I worked for about 22, 23 films as a co-director, scriptwriter in mainstream Kannada film industry. Uh, I really thank uh, the university and the faculty for this opportunity to spend the whole day here in the campus and spend a good learning time with the students. I really feel that the students here in the filmmaking department are quite enthusiastic and open for learning. I really hope that uh, they contribute to the world of cinema in their own way in the future days. And I hope they will learn more deeper things of cinematic philosophy, cinematic language, and express themselves in the world. I thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.